Hello my evil villains. So as you can see, I'm over here in the back of the tank. Like I said, I do want to modify the middle part of the tank. And yeah, you can see I got my mask off. It's pretty hot right now. Luckily I think it's gonna rain. But I do want to make this quick evil villain plan to start on the middle part of the van, of the Evil Punisher van. I want to start making a custom gun rack for the back part of this rear seat, I guess, the middle part of the van, of the tank. Yeah, as you can see, the back part of it has like a plastic, not a plastic, but it's more like a board, kind of like the pegboards that I put on the window panels. It does have I don't know, I guess I can puncture it with nails, screws, kind of like what I did with the window panels using the pegboards, the leftover pegboards that I had from the window panel project. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll probably be taking off these seats right here, the padding, I guess, for the head. Might want to take that off so that you can see further into the front part of the tank. We'll be hanging up these M4s that I have. I have 2 of them, and yeah, we're gonna put these M4s, kind of hang them on like this. Don't know if you can see it real quick. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna be putting up these 2 M4s up here. I'll be making a video, an Evil Punisher video of my gun collection, because I do have quite a bit of guns. That'll be on another video. But for now, I want to focus on the panels, making the gun rack. You see how good that looks. Making the gun rack for these 2 M4s. These guns are pretty heavy. Okay, this M4 is pretty much, it's made of metal. Really, it's all metal. And I don't know. I'm hoping it will hang on the back part of this backboard of the midsection of the van. See, I got 1, 2 M4s. So we'll be making that video, hopefully, I don't know, hopefully this week maybe. Put these M4s side to side like this, you see, and yeah, hopefully it does go good. I'm really excited about this project now, because now we're moving from the end of the tank to the middle part of the tank now, and slowly working our way towards the front. I have a lot of plans for this this project, for the real life supervillain vehicle series. I'm calling it a series because I am modifying my my Evil Punisher van to making it like some kind of tactical assault villain vehicle. Yeah, good thing about this project is that as you're watching, you'll be seeing a lot of these videos of me doing modifying this this Grand Caravan. It's a long 2005 van, and modifying everything in it to making it look like a real life supervillain vehicle. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the series, and see you in the next video.